Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports.
This 2020 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler, with only 3,935 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a windshield, an LED headlight and LED front and rear turn signals, headlight trim ring, air cleaner, timing cover, passenger backrest, primary cover, Screaming Eagle slip-on mufflers, and comes equipped with traction control and cruise control. The Freewheeler offers riders the thrill of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels, and unlike its larger Grand Touring sibling, the Tri-Glide, it's stripped down to just the essentials of riding. Powered by a Milwaukee 8 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 100 horsepower and 122 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a 27.6 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.